Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Roblox keep crashing in Windows. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually these errors occur due to the first thing is outdated or corrupted graphic drivers, second corrupted Roblox installation, third background app using too much CPU or RAM, fourth incompatible Windows update, fifth overlays causing conflicts. So what we are going to do is we are going to fix those issues. So our first step is to check Roblox server status. So enter into your browser and type as status.roblox.com and then click Roblox status, and it shows like all system are operational. If in case it shows any issue, in the sense you need to wait for some times to solve the issue from the Roblox side. So once it done, we are entering into our second step is update drivers. So the link is in the description, so please copy the link as per your graphics driver like Nvidia, AMD or Intel, and paste it on your browser, and then you can download your driver based on your system. If in case you had individual software like Nvidia or AMD, please log in your software and download or update your drivers using that software. So likewise you need to do for AMD and Intel if you are using. So our third step is to close background application. For that you need to enter into the task manager. Once you enter your task manager, please check whether the unnecessary app like Discord, browser or recorder, please close that. And if you are using any Xbox Game Bar or Nvidia GeForce Experience, please disable overlays. So our fourth step is to run Roblox administrator. For that you need to search Roblox and open file location. Once you open your file location, please right click the application and enter into the properties. Once you enter, please click compatibility and enable run the program as an administrator, and then click apply and click OK. So our fifth step is to adjust graphic settings. So you need to enter into your game settings. Once you enter your game, please escape that and enter into the settings, and you need to change the graphics mode to manual. And then you can decrease your graphics quality and you can increase your quality based on your system performance. Based on your system you can decrease or increase your graphics quality. That's it. So sixth step is to clear cache data. So if you are using browser, in the sense, please enter into the browser and three dot icon and then click clear browsing data. It's navigate to this page and just click clear data like cookies or cache. Just enable and clear the data. And if you are using Roblox application, in the sense, please press Windows R. If you are using Roblox application, in the sense, please press Windows R and then type %temp% and click OK. And over here you need to find the Roblox folder and then you need to delete the Roblox folder. It's a cache folder, please delete the folder. So our seventh step is to repair and restart Roblox. So for that you need to enter into your settings, following apps, and then installed apps, and then find Roblox, enter into the advanced option. Once you entered into the option, just scroll down and please click repair first. If in case it's not working, please reset the application and make sure the login credential will be deleted. You need to do it again. So once it's done, please close it and restart your system. Yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.